This video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Power BI desktop on your system. The first and foremost you need to use the type Power BI desktop. You hit the enter button, then you go to download Microsoft Power BI desktop. This takes you to the Microsoft page. When you come to this Microsoft page, you can see the Power BI English language. If you don't want that from English language, you can click and select a particular language preference of your choice. So I pick a particular language of your choice. Then click on the download button. This tells you, it gives the details about the version of Power BI. Now the first is for 32-bit computer, and you can see the size of the file. And the other one is for 64-bit computer is indicated here, and you can see the size of the file. So all what you need to do, if you go down, you see the system requirements. For Windows, you can install that on Windows 10, Windows 11. Microsoft Power BI also requires an internal Explorer 10 operator. And also Microsoft Power BI is available for 30-bit and 64-bit computer. While the button talks about installation instructions, download the version of Power BI desktop that matches the architecture of your window, that is of your window operating system, whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. This Windows system is used as for 32-bit, while this is for the 64-bit computer system. So all you need to do is hit on the download button, and this brings up the choose the download you want dialog box. All you need to do is to select either of them. My system is 64-bit, so I go for the preference for that of 64-bit, and I click on download. The moment I click on download, it start downloading that on my system. I've already have it on my system. So once the download is done, you go to where it is downloaded on your system, and all what you need to do, just hit on that button. But when you hit on the application button, it start installing the Microsoft Power BI desktop on your system for free. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, kindly give me a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my social media channel, my Instagram channel, my Facebook channel, and my TikTok channel. Thank you.